A local faith healing couple sent to jail because they did not get their daughter a doctor for a potentially blinding condition was back in court today. This time, the court will decide who should pay for the little girl's medical bills. K2's Tom Jensen is live in Oregon City outside the courthouse. Tom, taxpayers could get stuck with this bill?
They certainly could, and the attorneys for the defendants here, Tim and Rebecca Wyland, are arguing that they shouldn't have to pay for any of this. And they may have a good case based on existing state laws and previous court rulings. Rebecca Wyland entered the court in chains and handcuffs just a week into her 60-day jail sentence for denying her 18-month-old daughter medical care. At question today, who should pay Alayna Wyland's medical bills after the state took custody of her and brought her to the hospital? A Department of Human Services worker testified DHS already paid doctors more than $7,300.
All I know is if we were billed, we paid.
A huge growth that could have been blinding was removed from Alayna's eye last year after DHS took Alayna from her parents. The Wylands are members of Followers of Christ Church and choose prayer over modern medicine. But the couple's attorney argued vaccinations are not required under state law, and the Wylands should not have to pay for immunizations Alayna got.
Vaccinations are contrary to your religion. Is that correct?
Correct.
Tim Wyland's attorney also said the couple should not have to pay for Alayna's initial visit to a legacy doctor because that doctor was only used to build a criminal case against her parents.
He did not do anything to advance the care of Alayna Wyland. And I would ask Mr. and Mrs. Wyland's behalf that the charges that are reflected for that emergency department visit to a mental hospital not be allowed.
And the total charges for all medical costs is about $26,000. The prosecution says it is unfair for taxpayers to pay this, but the defense also argued that in a previous court ruling, a judge ruled that in these restitution cases, you cannot force defendants to pay restitution unless the amount of the money and the items were brought up during sentencing, and the defense is arguing that that did not happen in this case. The judge will make a ruling in the case in 10 days. We're live in Oregon City. Tom Jensen, K2 News.